Before you go through the whole deck and rearrange PowerPoint and logos and font and make sure all the graphs and charts are just right, I need you to do one thing for me. Look at the whole thing and ask yourself, is there at least one new idea in this presentation that no one's ever heard of? If you can't say yes to that, can you at least say yes to the following question? Is there at least one new way of looking at an old idea, a new twist on an old idea that will make people think, hadn't thought of it quite that way? If you really want to stand out as a speaker, you need to have yes, a yes answer to one of those questions. Too many presentations have this sense of, I'm just going through the motions. I'm telling you the same stuff I said last month because I have to, and I don't want to be here, and I know you don't want to be here. I understand there are times when you have to go through some perfunctory information, but you still have an opportunity to put a spotlight on at least one interesting idea. And you want to train people who hear you speak, whether it's your own employees, your customers, your clients. You want to train them into thinking of you as someone who always gives them at least one interesting idea. Do that, and you'll really burnish your reputation as a great communicator. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively. If you'd like to improve your own speaking skills, please go to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com and check out our free books, also our upcoming workshops, seminars, and online courses.